warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, introduce my name Cyndi Aulia. You can call me Cyndi. I live in Sukau together with my family. I was born in Sukau on the 15th of December 2004. I am number one in my family. I have one brother and a sister. And I am class 10, social skin class 1. I school in Islamic Senior High number 1 in Lampung. First 3 cups of coconut milk into the pan. For coconut, you can also add pecanut, coconut milk, or the version of your own choosing. Add the sugar and powder into the pan. Stir until it boils. After boiling, enter it into the mold.
So my wig is linked. No cap, boy, that dick is weak. So
and tada! So that sweet coconut milk is ready to eat to break the fast together. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
To introduce myself, my name is Fenda and you can call me Fenda. My address in Bola Ulu on the road PR Tendean. I was born in Negeri Agung 5 June 2005. My hobby is traveling. I school in Man 1 West Lampung and I have one brother who is still in the 3rd grade. I think that's just an introduction for me. Ingredients: coffee, sugar, hot water, glass, and sponge. Next, how to make. First, put a spoon of coffee in the cup. After then, add some sugar to the cup gas of presence. Let's mix a bit, stirring it. Finally, a cup of hot coffee is ready to sell.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.